Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Thursday. Be honest with you, I haven't done a whole lot this week. I have doctor's appointments and stuff like that, so I really haven't got a chance to get back on the Lark yet. I just finished up Ralph's Charger Pursuit. I've got a Ford F350 I got to do a brake line on and a power steering pump. But what I'm going to talk about today is when you go into a custom build like we're getting ready to do with the Lark, and we're wanting to do it right, which means it's going to take money. There is kind of a budget on this thing, but we haven't quite figured it out yet. But in the process of doing this, it takes money to build these things. So we're letting some things go. One of them is right here behind me. It's a 1998 GMC Z71. Single cab, short bed, 4-wheel drive. I mean, it's a nice looking truck. The interior is in good shape for its age. But on the outside, it looks great. And it'd be kind of cool project to work on, but she's got to go. So we're going to be getting rid of this. The money from this sale is going to go towards the Lark Build. And the reason this is getting rid of, and I hate to say this, you know, it is a nice looking truck. 350, 4x4. But it's hiding some things underneath here that's not too good. Like I said, I mean, the truck's original paint. Now, here lies the problem. The frame, I don't know how well this is going to pick up, is rotted out. So basically, from the cab back, this frame is roached. I mean, there is nothing left of this thing. If you look, the shackle area, it actually broke loose, which really sucks. I mean, because overall, that outside of this thing is solid and it's in really good shape. And I know there's a big demand for these trucks still, but it's going to need a frame. So she's going up for sale. If anybody's interested in buying this one, hit me up in the comments. If you're in the Tennessee area, we'll talk. But somebody who's wanting an original Z71 and want to put the time on finding another frame and transferring everything over, it'd be a good deal. But just don't have time to mess with it. So we're going to sell that off. That money's going to be going towards the Lark, like I said. And next thing also is this. This was bought as part of a package deal a few years back. And wants me to get it going. It's an older model GMC, 1-ton, diesel, non-turbo. So the story on this truck is, it ran when he first got it. There were some issues with the boom. I think it's electrical issues. Somebody ran it out of diesel fuel, thought they could reprime the system, jacked it all up, wouldn't start. So he put 2 new batteries in it, and they tried to get it going, but as many times this thing got turned over, the wires got hot, smoked the wires in it. So this one I'm going to try to get running, and most likely we're probably going to sell it. And like I said, this is also going to go towards the Lark Build. And but going to sell everything to build a better one. We'll see what happens. And but the Z71, it runs. You know, it's just a shame that the frame's roached out on it, but it's got to go. We got to fund the build. But like I said, I haven't had a whole lot done this week. Everything going on, but the motor's accessible now on it, so I consider starting bolting things and get ready to pull it out. But we're gonna get that pulled out. I'm gonna pull the seats back out of this. I gotta get me some tubing. I need to weld some tubing in the door areas, so that way there it doesn't shift on me, because I'm getting ready to cut this whole floor out. Things I gotta get rolling on. I need to get back on it. I was out of town last weekend. I went to my house in Alabama, hung out down there, dropped some building supplies off down there for that, because we're still remodeling the place. And I really still need to clean my garage. I haven't done that since I got done with Ralph's car. But I'm gonna get back into the swing of things. Get on it hard starting this weekend and through the week. But like I said, it costs money to build these things, and we want to do it right, and want it to be a good ride. But other than that, guys, that's all I got for you for this week. Like I said, hopefully I get things rolling again, and get some more content on this car going next week. But other than that, guys, you have a good one, have a safe one, and I'll see you down the road.